Let's go! Andar na. Bilis. What's up? So, it's currently like 4 a.m. in the morning. And I am ready for my flight to San Diego. Let's go. We are in medyo madaming tao because it's Thanksgiving week, so maraming nag-travel. But yeah, I made it inside after TSA. Hanapin ko lang yung gate, then I'll just chill. Medyo maaga ako dumating, so chill. It's a chill morning. I'm gonna do a quick fit check. Ready. It's currently 6 a.m. Sobrang aga ko, so matagal pa ako mag-chill. Ang boarding ay 7:50, so I have 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. Ano ba? So, unfortunately, na-move yung flight, na-delay from 8:30 to 11:30. I was so excited, but I guess it is what it is. So, okay, so apparently na-move yung flight, unfortunately, and I'm here in the bar. I'm having a light brunch breakfast. Just having a bagel, egg and bacon, and since I'm at the bar, syempre having vodka na may lemonade. Di ko alam kung anong tawag, pero yeah. Basta kung may delayed flight, you know where to find. Oh, it's so frustrating. Originally 8:30, naging 11:30. Natulog ako saglit. Pagising ko, hindi pa gumagalaw yung mga tao. 11 a.m. ako nagising. And here we are. Ayoko sanang kumain, but I need to have something before I drink kasi I might vomit. So, it said na in 15 minutes boarding na, so sakto lang yun. Pagtapos ko ng brunch. Let's fucking go! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, ang ganda ng leg space ng seat ko. And it's in the window seat. Let's go. See? Not bad. This is the leg space. Sana naririnig ako kasi I'm still a bit shy vlogging in public. But at the same time, I don't care. It's FAFO. It's YOLO. Okay? I think I have the whole road to myself. Let's go! Andar na. Bilis.
So, just for takeoff, just for weight and balance. That would be greatly appreciated. We do need everyone in their seats at this time. Thank you so much.
Fit check. Got my San Diego Padre cap ready. Just
If you're traveling with a lap child today, please remember your arms of the child safety belt, not the safety belt itself. That just goes around your waist.
And Air Max TNs.
If you're on a phone call, you need to say, I love you, gotta go bye.
Okay,
when
bye.
we get to San Diego.
We here. Let's go. Oh my god, I miss this so much. It's the Colorado Bridge. Oh my god. We here. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go. Okay, nakalabas na ako and I'm just waiting for my sundo, si Mami Lay. And yeah, let's go. Palabas na ako. Dito na si Mami Lay. Finally. Look at the sun. God damn. Parang feeling ko ngayon lang ako nakita ulit ng magandang araw. Dahil yun. Sige, wait lang. Kita mo ka? Si Mami. Hala. Kasama niya yung lola ko. Oh my god. Magmama, nag-grill tayo. Kasama si Mami?
Hi! Baka mabangga tayo ko. Sino yan?
Siya lang.
Oo, siya lang.
Bilay.
Ano? Hello! Si Mami. Naantok ka na naman? Ano ba yan?
We are at the mall. Kakain kami ng samgyup ng Korean barbecue. This is our favorite. Sobrang sarap dito. Oh my god. Ang sarap ng beef, ng pork, ng mga side dish, ng cheese. Let's go. Thank you.
Gusto ko namin yan. Mami, hi daw oh.
Bilay.
Costco kami shopping.
Costco time. Costco shopping.
Ha?
Para kanina.
Sa lola mong Pacman. Ano ba? Isang linggo lang na yun.
Costco done.
Talaga. Andyan na.
Ay, wait, wala pa siyang seatbelt.
Sa likod na.
Pauwi na kami.
Woo!
Okay. Nandito na ako sa bahay sa San Diego. Nakainom ako ng onte. But it's good. Tinry ko yung Mexican coffee rum liquor na Kilwa. Tama ba yung pronunciation? But yeah, it was good. I like it. It's a bit sweet, but yung tama is okay. Okay siya. I had a catch up with my cousin and his girlfriend. It went pretty well. I missed them so much. And they gave me a Spider-Man sweater. I'll show you. Wait. It's this one. It's very cute. And I like the dimensions, parang cropped siya or basta hindi siya yung mahaba na. Ang ganda yung nakasulat sa likod, it's this one. It's perfect! Like what? The dimensions is perfect. In my height, it's perfect. I'm so happy. This is so cool. It's just my first day here. Wow. Thank you, Kuya Christian and Ate Anika. I love it. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow, the size is perfect. Like, kasi usually pag American size, mas mahaba. Eh, maliit ako. So, it's not for everyone. But yeah, this is perfect. Like, look at this length. So, that's it for today's travel. I'm so happy. I'm so glad I am here in San Diego. And I will video the rest of my stay here. I have no idea what my schedule is, but so far so good. My goal is just to see my cousins and of course Thanksgiving and see my friend from college. So yeah, I want to catch up, make the most of my time here because it's pretty short. Ngayon ko lang na-realize I'm getting pretty sad when I got here kasi ang bilis ng oras, like, kasi syempre na-delay flight ko so sayang araw. Tapos, onti lang pala yung days ko na makikita ko yung cousins or yung friend ko. So, hopefully makita ko silang lahat because I miss them. I like it here. I love it here. And hopefully makita ko yung mga tita ko. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. And I was just so excited to get here. And here I am. So, yeah. I'll see you